Hello, welcome to the second tutorial on HTML coding. You'll see on my screen I've got two windows open, and this will make life much easier for you. If you size the window of your browser and your notepad so that you can do both things at once without having to switch between one and the other. So if I go to the HTML tutorial and the text that I need to copy to there, I can do it quite easily. Now, as I said before, it's really important that you copy it word for word exactly. Okay, and I've done this, and I've added a few extra things as well. You'll see a little gap here. Don't worry about that gap. I've got no gaps on mine, but the words and the text otherwise is exactly the same, and then it will work. Now here, I've worked all the way through this first section, the background colour, the colour of the text, and making the text bold. I've also gone on to this section here and inserted a hyperlink, and all of that is in this code here. Now, a couple of tips for you. First of all, when I save this, I'll go to File, Save As, and it will take me to what I've already set up, my root folder, images, scripts, and I've called this text file All About Me. Now, I'm going to save it as All About Me, and it'll ask if I want to overwrite it, and I'm going to say yes. The reason I'm going to overwrite it is I don't want the same file saved again and again and again, because it will just make things confusing. The second thing I'm going to do is go to File, Save As, and I'm going to click this button here and change it to All Files. And as you can see, I've already got it saved as All About Me HTML document. I'm going to save it as that again, and once again I'm going to replace it by pressing yes. So if I go to this file, this folder now, I've got my text file and I've got the All About Me HTML document. If I double click on that and I've typed the code in incorrectly, our website comes up. I've got my text in yellow there, I've got the text in navy blue there, I've even inserted a hyperlink which, if I click, should take me to the Spurs website there. Now, all of that works because I've got the code exactly correctly. There was another little trick that I wanted to show you. Okay, if you go to my blog here and click this link here, it will take you to this website where you can use loads and loads and loads of different colours. So if I wanted to change my background colour, for instance, to say a light blue, quite like that one there, you'll notice that there's this code. I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go back to my coding over here, and where I had the background colour before, I'm going to change it to a different code. You'll notice here that I've just typed in yellow for the font, where you can either type the colour or you can put one of these codes down. And I'm going to change the background colour here by replacing what I've already had and pasting over the top of it. Now, like before, I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm going to save it as the All About Me document, replace it, and I'm also going to File, Save As, change this to All Files, and overwrite the All About Me. So I'm keeping one file all of the time. Now, if I go back to my folder and click on the All About Me, it should have changed the background colour. Let's see. And it has to that blue colour. So you can see now how you can use these codes to change the letters, the wording, and the background colour of your website by inserting it here instead of typing the colour. Once again, I emphasise that you must have this exactly right. If it hasn't worked, it means you've done something wrong. The other thing I'm going to mention as well again is that you don't need this space here. You don't need it. It all comes on the side here, but it must be word for word. Where you see a gap there, there's a gap there. Okay, if you can get through this lesson and have some text on your website, and even better, have a link, then you'll have done really well. Keep working hard. Good luck.